Hey guys, today's video we are going to use a Bath & Body Works bag to wrap up a 3-wick candle for Christmas. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Got this idea from Instagram, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. All the supplies are from Bath & Body Works. So they have the tags, the bows, the ribbon, everything when you're buying candles. The only thing we're not using is that cellophane bag because we're going to use the actual bag to wrap up the gift. Got this in the mail recently. I bought a French baguette on bathandbodyworks.com, and this box is perfect to wrap it in. Alternatively, in store, you can ask for boxes, and when they have them in stock, they will share with you. So there it is. As you can see now, I'm going to disassemble the little bag, and this is a smaller one. It's not large. That bottom piece goes, and at the very bottom here, guys, I'm going to very gingerly take this apart. So be patient. Don't rip it because you want this to stay in one piece. And as you can see, that didn't take a lot of effort. And just fold it out. And now with a pair of scissors, we are going to cut the handles. And this takes a little bit of muscle. It's just glued down really, so it'll carry the weight of the candles. So boom and boom, pretty easy process. And then about 1/2 inch, just the very gluey part of the bag, cut it off. Okay, so on this side right here, pop open the bag and carefully cut on the seam. And now you have the bag. There it is. There's your wrapping paper. So just kind of like fold it out to try and get some of the wrinkles out so you can work with this just a little bit easier. Just try your best. And now we're going to take the candle and try and figure out where it would look the best with the bag. So you can cheat right here and see, what lands where, how you should move it around. I want the Santa Claus towards the front, so that's what I'm doing. So now you just try to line it up and tape it down. And one side of the bag will get cut. Bye-bye. And now's the fun part to just... The bag really folds easily. The paper that it's made out of is a really good quality, so this works really well. These sides are a little trickier because it just is, because it wants to bounce back a little bit, so you have to really press it firmly, a little bit of origami and a little bit of tape. So just be patient right here. However you do the sides as well. I know sometimes people will pinch it on both sides and then tape the top and bottom. I just do it this way because that's how my mom taught me. This is the harder end with the handles because there's double paper on this side. So this is where it's going to take a little bit of muscles. This looks awful, so I redid it. And again, it's like origami. You can move the paper around however you see fit. Add more tape than I did because it just kept popping up. Where the handles are, there's more paper, so it's going to want to just naturally come apart. But there it is. How stinking cute. Anyone that loves Bath & Body Works will be so happy to get this little box. So got a really long piece of ribbon at the store. I asked the cashier to give me one twice the size. As you can see, just a regular wraparound, one piece of ribbon. Boom. There it is. Very, very easy. And then just a little piece of tape. I'm going to show you this 2 different ways that if you have the smaller pieces of ribbon that come with the cellophane bag, how to do that. And then as you can see, all my supplies from Bath & Body Works. Tuck it under that ribbon, and that is just such a cute little gift. Like, how stinking cute is that? Really, really cute. And I love recycling that bag. You have no idea. Okay, so now we're going to do this with 2 pieces of ribbon. You know when you buy, they usually give you the cellophane bags and you can just tie it up with this. So wrap one way around the box, a little bit of tape, and then the opposite way. And again, more tape, however you want to do it. If you wanted to use a different kind of tape, not like this magic tape that I'm using, go for it. And if you wanted to use more of it, also you can do that as well. I'm just trying to do this quickly to show you guys, but how stinking cute is that? The same little tag. And that is just an adorable Christmas gift. I love this wrap. I think it's just so cute. So if you decide to do this, please tag me on Instagram. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.